Today, we're looking at connecting your Xantrex Gateway. Here's an example of a typical network you might connect into. To get started, connect the power source to the Xantrex Gateway. There are two ways to interface with the Xantrex Gateway device. To use the touchscreen, connect the HDMI and USB cables from the Gateway touchscreen to the display as shown here. Now, follow the instructions step by step on the setup page. First, select your country or region. Then, set a new Gateway SSID and password. To secure your gateway from unauthorized access, enter a password with at least 8 characters using letters, numbers, and no special characters. Tap Apply to save the new settings. Then tap Continue. Skip the Connect page by tapping Skip this step. Tap Done to finish the gateway setup. When you have successfully connected the gateway, a Systems page with all the devices communicating in your network will be displayed. This screen shows the energy system view with 3 devices: a solar charge controller, a battery, and an inverter charger. Tap on any device ring to go to the device status page for that device.